Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Internet Computer's first major iteration of AI technology and understand whether the Internet Computer can 10x with this AI technology. It's called Caffeine AI. And we're going to kind of explore what the Internet Computer is doing from an AI perspective, what they are planning to do in the future, and kind of understand whether this secret weapon of Internet Computer can actually bring the Internet Computer into the top 10 and help the coin 10x in valuation. When I'm recording this video, the coin is worth about $2.6 billion market cap with about $5 price. And as you guys see from the dashboard here on screen, a very robust crypto ecosystem with blockchain server nodes around the world, I believe every continent except for Antarctica. So yeah, let's explore Internet Computer AI. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Give the video a free thumbs up. We upload as much as possible. If you have other topics, whether in the crypto space or in the Internet Computer ecosystem that you want me to cover, let me know down below in the comments. And let's get right into today's video. So as you guys know, especially if you've been watching my videos, Internet Computer, in my view, in my opinion, is the premier AI platform in the blockchain space. No other cryptocurrency or blockchain ecosystem out here, not Near, not ASI, artificial superintelligence, not Fetch AI, none of them. There are no major blockchains that can run and are running AI, artificial intelligence compute data on through the blockchain, right? Effectively, when you think about Internet Computer, they're trying to achieve world computer status. And so that effectively means it's like one step above what cloud computing is, right? Amazon Web Services is a cloud compute platform, Salesforce, cloud compute platform. But these are not a level up where they can run and process high-powered compute data like in the AI realm. And so just a few months ago, Binance did a quick little kind of ecosystem recap on what Caffeine AI is. Now, again, as I've been doing research on Caffeine AI, there's really not that much info about Caffeine AI from Dfinity, from Internet Computer ecosystem. I do think that it seems like they're holding a lot of this very close because they don't want competitors stealing their ideas or their information or what they're doing. But I think as we go through this video, you're going to understand that Internet Computer Protocol, Dfinity, there's no reason for me to believe that Caffeine AI is not going to be revolutionary for the AI ecosystem and definitely for Internet Computer's ecosystem, because they're again, Internet Computer is the only blockchain that is running AI. All these other blockchains are promising AI. Some of them are not even doing that, but most of them are promising AI, but they have no viable product. They don't even have an MVP, minimum viable product. ICP is the only one. Anyway, so back in January, they said Caffeine AI is an innovative project within the Internet Computer ecosystem that aims to transform the way applications are built on blockchain. This AI-powered platform allows developers, even those without extensive coding knowledge, to create and deploy applications on the blockchain with ease. So what exactly is Caffeine AI? Well, Caffeine AI leverages artificial intelligence to automate and simplify the development process. By using AI algorithms, it can generate code, optimize performance, and ensure security, making blockchain development more accessible and efficient. This democratization of blockchain technology is expected to attract a broader range of developers and entrepreneurs to the ICP ecosystem. Now, we've heard Dominic, who's the founder of Internet Computer and the chief scientist over at Dfinity, which is the development arm behind Internet Computer Protocol. We've heard from him that they are developing, and it seems like they already have the product where you're going to be able to utilize artificial intelligence to code and then also to go over code to look for errors. And so effectively, I did a whole nother video on this. I don't remember what it's called. I think it was ICP Introduces AI Workers. And that's what Dominic has been talking about, releasing these AI workers where you're the employee, but you're utilizing AI to help you build the code or build the application or whatever else you're doing for the ecosystem that you're developing and working in. And then you can use AI to help you build things and also check your coding and other AI's coding for any errors in the coding before the product actually goes live. key features of Caffeine AI is a user-friendly interface. Caffeine AI provides an intuitive interface that guides users through the application development process. Automated code generation. The platform uses AI to generate code, reducing the need for manual coding and minimizing of errors. Optimize performance. AI algorithms help optimize the performance of applications, ensuring they run smoothly and efficiently. And enhance security. Caffeine AI incorporates advanced security measures to protect applications from potential threats. The introduction of Caffeine AI is expected to have significant impact on the Internet Computer Protocol ecosystem. By making blockchain development more accessible, it will likely attract a diverse range of developers and entrepreneurs, fostering innovation and growth within the ICP ecosystem. Additionally, the automation and optimization provided by Caffeine AI will enhance the quality and efficiency of applications built on the ICP ecosystem. Caffeine AI represents a major step forward for the evolution of blockchain technology. By combining AI and blockchain development, it opens up new possibilities for innovation and growth within ICP. As more developers and entrepreneurs embrace this powerful tool, we can expect to see a surge in creative and efficient blockchain applications. And so this is huge, right? But we still don't know that much about Caffeine AI. What is the capabilities of this ecosystem and platform? When is the expected release? Who is going to be able to use it? Are there going to be costs involved? All of this. And so just recently, just a few months ago, this was in November of 2024, there was a proposal that was actually put into the governance of the internet computer ecosystem saying, when demo for Caffeine AI. And the proposal said Caffeine AI is already functional and private demos have been done. This is a proposal for the Dfinity Foundation to release Caffeine AI for public use and or for Dominic to release a public video demo. This needs to be released ASAP. Now, when I read this, I was like, okay, what did the voting look like? Well, the voting looked terrible, with 55% of the vote saying no. But then you can actually go down to the bottom and see who voted. Who voted no? Well, if you look here, you can see that the Dfinity Foundation voted no. Internet Computer Association voted no. Internet Computer Developers voted no. So that's interesting that they're all voting no for releasing Caffeine AI. ICP manual, they didn't vote. The 8-year DAO voted no. So why did all these people vote no on releasing Caffeine AI? Right? Even when I'm recording this video, this is 4 or 5 months later, we still don't have any actual version of Caffeine AI that can be used, pay or free. And so again, we don't really know that much about Caffeine AI, and this could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing, right? The reason I say it could be a good thing is because they don't want to release the technology before it's tested and well developed and make sure the product is ready for market. And so I would imagine they're probably doing a lot of things in the back end for stress testing and stuff like that, but we don't know. We don't know that much about Caffeine AI. In this recent article that Dominic posted, it's called Mass Adoption of Web3 Through the Self-Writing Internet. That's what we were talking about. The AI can actually write the code directly and then also check for errors. He says, we believe the self-writing internet will democratize and decentralize technology on blockchain, and we are excited that a new platform called Caffeine AI will soon be released. He said, just by interacting with Caffeine over chat, users will create, own, and update sovereign apps on the internet computer and the world computer more broadly, which for us is the amalgamation of all blockchains that can host tokens and smart contracts. He says, in the future, it will be possible to say, build me a personal Google Photos, which I can share with my family and friends, where I can add comments and emoji reactions or photos, or build me a remittance system so that I can pay my international contractors using stablecoins. And so there's a little bit of a kind of a glimpse into what Caffeine AI is. A lot of what we have to do in the investing world is we have to kind of figure out what they are doing and the level that they're doing in, what this is going to mean for the actual ecosystem that we're investing in, whether it's a stock, a crypto, or whatever else, and understand the value that it's going to bring. So understanding just the general concept of what Caffeine AI is and what Dominic has been talking about with this self-writing internet, it's very apparent to me that this first iteration of Caffeine AI, or the first public iteration of, internet computer AI, is going to be this self-writing internet where they're really going to, it seems like, gearing it towards developers, because these are the people who are actually using these blockchain ecosystems. And so that's a smart idea, obviously. And then being able to build things within the internet computer ecosystem utilizing this code, this could be really freaking big. It really can. So this is another article about the internet computer roadmap. I did a whole video on the internet computer roadmap. If you want to see that, just go to my channel, just type in ICP roadmap 2025, and you should be able to see that. But they wrote here, this is Dfinity, the developers behind Internet Computer. They say, as the Internet Computer Protocol continues to mature, the Dfinity Foundation will increasingly shift resources towards removing friction in adoption and onboarding of new developers, extending beyond the Web3 community and enabling new types of applications to be built. An exciting example is Caffeine AI, which features on the ICP roadmap for the first time. So that's the first mention of Caffeine AI. They also talk about here the Vertex milestone. This is basically a milestone that they're going to be trying to hit in this upcoming roadmap. Again, go watch my roadmap video on Internet Computer for more on this. But in the Vertex milestone, it says alpha release of the Caffeine platform will allow prompt-based creation of full-stack applications. This represents a vertex where unique ICP technologies such as serverless compute model, enhanced orthogonal persistence, and AI models for Motoko code generation meet, creating the dawn of the self-writing internet. So you see what just happened? I'm just telling you guys, we have to kind of figure out what they're going to do, and understanding that Dominic has been talking about self-writing internet, and that Caffeine AI is going to be really built for coding and stuff like that, and that they're going to be releasing it. This is what they're doing. Like, this is all leading to the release, and this is going to blow every other ecosystem out of the water, every other AI platform out of the water, because how many companies are actually working on making developers' lives easier through AI coding? Maybe there's a few throughout the world, but only one on blockchain, and that's Internet Computer. So that's the Vertex release. They also have Atlas milestone, the second milestone of ICP Ninja, again, a different part of the ICP roadmap, introduces multiple AI-focused features, such as the ability to bootstrap projects with AI, leveraging the Caffeine platform. Additionally, it aims at fostering more community engagement and collaboration through the publication of community projects and templates. The Dfinity Foundation is also planning an overhaul of the CLI toolchain used for canister or smart contract development. So yeah, guys, there is a lot going on. This roadmap is one of the most robust roadmaps I've seen in crypto in quite a while. Back in 2017, 2018, even some 2019, most of these crypto projects had roadmaps, and they'd have progress bars that showed you how far along they are in the implementation. And then they basically just stopped using them. I think a lot of these crypto projects stopped using roadmaps because they were not hitting the milestones on the roadmap. I mean, let's be real. So they just stopped using the roadmap because it ended up highlighting all the things that these crypto projects did not do that they said they were going to do. And so it ended up becoming a negative for the ecosystems. Based on what I've seen with the Internet Computer roadmap and the whole video that I did on it, where we went through the whole thing, it seems like it's very focused. It's very focused on the technologies that are going to enhance this ecosystem to the highest degree. This is not even my largest holding by far, guys. This is kind of more of a trade for me. I do believe in the ecosystem. I've been following Internet Computer effectively since it launched. We've done quite extensive research into this ecosystem, and out of all the AI ecosystems, this is the one that seems like they have traction and that they are going to actually have, products that people are going to be able to use. And then really, if you think about it, it's very smart what they're doing with Caffeine AI, or with, the first implementation of self-writing code AI, because they can write, once they get it fine-tuned where it's working properly, and they release it to developers. Now developers can very rapidly create new products utilizing that underlying AI, utilizing the compute, the high power compute, the high throughput of the internet computer ecosystem, and very rapidly expand the functionality of this new technology and continue to kind of blast ahead compared to the other ecosystems that are also trying to achieve this, not just in blockchain, also in the traditional technology world. And so this is a big, big difference between internet computer and every other blockchain ecosystem, because none of these ecosystems are trying to achieve what ICP is trying to achieve from a focused standpoint, right? Ethereum's not going after this kind of AI. XRP's not going after this. BNB's not going after this. Solana's not going after this. Cardano's not going after this. Dogecoin's not going after this. Tron, Pi, Chainlink, Hedera, Stellar, Avalanche, Sui, none of them are trying to do this. Even Near Protocol, which currently is the #1 by market cap AI platform, they're not even going after that either. Like, I don't even know what Near is doing. So yeah, I do think that internet computer is highly undervalued. I think people are really not paying attention to it. I think that the price can easily 10x to get to $50, $26 billion market cap, especially if this technology is able to perform at the way that they're saying it's able to perform. I would imagine if it was able to perform that way, we would probably, at this point, we would probably already have this released. Again, I'm recording this in March of 2025. I would love to hear more about when Caffeine AI is going to be released, at least maybe version 1, a beta version, the testing version, maybe open it up to just a few developers, and then, yeah, have Dominic and these developers go create videos that they can release on the Dfinity social media, which shows how this technology works. I mean, a year ago, I was showing you guys videos on this channel of Dominic basically running AI, large language models, on the internet computer protocol, right? And so to see what happened last year versus what this Caffeine AI program is going to look like, it's really exciting. And I'm definitely going to do a video on that when it releases and probably compare what the AI looked like last year to whatever this new release looks like. And hopefully they do demos so that we can see the full functionality and full capabilities of it at this point. And then they can talk about, what the capabilities that they're looking to achieve in the future. But for me, I mean, ICP is the clear winner in AI. And I think we'll continue to be the clear winner in AI because they're really the only ones that are attacking AI from this kind of level and this many different angles. Even if artificial superintelligence, Fetch AI, Ocean Protocol, and SingularityNet, they brought all of their communities and developers and ecosystems together, and a year later after the merge, we still have no viable product and no roadmap as to where this AI ecosystem is going. So where do you think do you think they even have a product yet? Do you think they're even working on a potentially end user product the way that internet computer is? I don't think so. And I don't even think that the regular AI companies are doing that either. They're really focused on the LLM models and how to monetize that. But this is really where the money is, right? Self-writing internet, self-writing code, self-writing applications on one of the most robust blockchain ecosystems on Earth, and that is the internet computer. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on internet computer protocol, Caffeine AI, AI capabilities of both internet computer and other blockchains. Let me know what you think down below. While you're down there, don't forget to give the video a free thumbs up. If you want to help support the channel, click the join button to learn more about becoming a channel member, or you could use the super chats in the comments. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys when I see you, and as always, crypto on.